Welcome to video 3 of the 42 things you need to know about the JLPT exam. In this video, we are going to discuss about the paper pattern of the JLPT exam. Let's get started. Okay, question 1. What is the paper format? So, the exam is divided in 3 sections. First section is kanji and vocabulary, in which you will get questions regarding kanji and vocabulary. Section 2 is grammar and comprehension, which you will have questions related to grammar and comprehension. And the third part is listening. So here they will play a tape and then you have to listen to it and mark the answers. More on this in the upcoming question. Okay. Question 2. How much time is the exam? Total time duration. Okay, so total time duration of the exam, it depends on whether you are giving N5, N4, N3, N2 or N1. It goes on increasing as you go higher. For N5, it is 1.5 hours. As you go higher, it goes up till 3 hours. And what I'll do is I'm going to show a table to you right now. So you can take a screenshot or look at it. So the table is in front of you. All right. Question 3. Is it mandatory to pass all 3 sections for the JLPT exam? Yes, it is. If you fail in one of the 3 papers or 2 of the 3 papers, you fail the entire paper. Question 4. What is the minimum score required for the JLPT and for all 3 sections? So again, I will be displaying a table. You can pause the video, you can take a screenshot, you can look at it. So it's yeah, the table is in front of you. All right. Question number 5. What are we supposed to mark the answers with? We are supposed to mark the answers with pencils. And to add on this, I absolutely forgot to tell you guys about the paper format. So the paper format is multiple choice questions. So they will give you one question and they will give you four options. So you have to select the correct option. Now, although this sounds super easy, the exam is quite logic based. So if your logic regarding Japanese is not clear, you will not pass the exam, which is one of the things which I really love about this exam. Okay. Question 6. Do we have a spoken test? No, we don't. And although I really hate this about the exam, I feel we should have had a spoken test as well. Question 7. That was question 8. Question 7 is what language is the paper in? The paper is completely in Japanese language, that is hiragana, katakana, kanji. These are the 3 scripts of Japanese. You will not find a single word of English in the paper, so your Japanese reading uh, is supposed to be very good and it is supposed to be fast. Does the JLPT include questions that require cultural knowledge of Japan? No, it does not. Can I keep the paper after I take the test? So, this is question number 9, I think, if I'm not wrong. Question number 9 is can I keep the paper of the exam after I appear for the exam? The answer is no. You have to submit the paper then and there itself. And okay, I'm going to tell you something which I don't know if I'm supposed to, but why? You might be thinking, right? Why is that is so weird? Why can we not keep the paper? The reason is throughout the world they have the same paper for the test. So in India, if you're giving the exam right now, in the US, they will give the exam maybe after 12 hours. So you can technically leak all the questions to the people who are going to appear in the US. So that's why we have to give the paper back. So yes, I forgot which question we were on. I think we were on question 10. Mm, yeah, we were on question 10. How is the listening test conducted? So in India, I think it is pretty much the same everywhere, but in India they bring a tape recorder and or a CD player, and they either bring in a tape or they bring in a CD, and they just put in the CD, and then they start the audio, and then by listening to the audio we have to mark the answers. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Question 11. In the listening paper of JLPT, how many times can I listen to the audio? This is very important. The audio is only played once. They will not repeat the audio. So, in case you miss something, it is gone. Okay, so you have to focus ahead. Don't, sit and think, oh my god, I missed it. So, just focus ahead. They will only play the audio once. Okay, that's it for this video. See you in video 4. Jane.